Welcome back. It's time to check our weather forecast, and it is foggy out there and cold. Matt, the weather wasn't, at least the air quality wasn't that great earlier today. What's in tap for tomorrow?
Yeah, all those things are true, but you know who had great weather? The coast had great weather. Look at the sunset from Newport, and then you see the sun goes down, and then watch right above it. You're going to see this pillar of light show up right about in here, right there. There you go. You see that little shaft of light there? That's refraction from those high, thin cirrus clouds that are offshore right there. So kind of fun to see that. Also that green glow, pretty cool as well. But this is downtown Portland tonight as the fog was rolling around. Notice you're looking north, so that's basically a light westerly wind, which belies the overall pattern of an east wind that is blowing quite strongly out in the east part of town and out in the gorge. Now this is downtown right now. It is 33, so it's cold out there. There was a mixture of frost and fog this morning. We will have the same thing again tomorrow morning. Visibility in the fog, it's been down below a quarter of a mile in Hillsborough for several hours now, so it's really thick fog. Quarter mile in McMinnville. Aurora, though, has improved. Portland Airport has gotten worse, down to a quarter mile visibility there, and it's not too bad in Salem, but half a mile in Corvallis. Now, check out the advisories that we've got here. The yellow, that's the air stagnation advisory. Embedded within that, and with it, it's not either or, it's both. In the gray area is the dense fog advisory. That goes until noon tomorrow for the reasons I just told you. And you can see the footprint of the fog today, burning off from the West Hills out through Multnomah County. Washington County never really got out of it, which is why Hillsborough stayed in the 30s this afternoon. Now, the winds, they're there. They're sustained, and that's actually an east wind, not a south wind at Crown Point of 25. East winds at Corbett, east winds at Troutdale. But then look, nothing at the Portland Airport. That's a distance of, what, 5 miles at the most? So what happens is the east wind kind of can lift and ride over the cool air that's trapped down there, and then the east wind just kind of fades away as you get away from the gorge in this situation because it's not a very strong east wind. It's not overtaking the entire western part of the valley and going out to the coast. But there are some strong gusts. I mean, look, Crown Point gusted to almost 60 miles an hour. So incredible change over short distances, and it has a big influence on the type of weather we're getting. Downtown, we're in the fog. Go east a couple miles and it's clear. Now, if you have a clear sky the next couple of nights, you can see what a lot of people saw tonight. That is the International Space Station. Tomorrow, 546 to 552. It will be the brightest, I think, of the next couple nights. Another chance on Wednesday from 635 to 639. Of course, if you have fog, you're not going to see it. Our high was 45 in Portland, but Hillsborough only 39. And then 60s in Central Oregon. Amazingly warm. Kind of in the sweet spot there. High enough that they weren't in the fog, but low enough that it was still warm and in the 60s. Now, big area of high pressure, clear sky over the west coast. Won't break down until the end of the week and the weekend. So that's why we're going to keep with this foggy pattern or the east winds for the next couple of days. East winds will pick up a bit on Thursday, so that should help to minimize the fog. And then rain finally pushing in, but not till late in the day, Sunday afternoon or Sunday night. We will get mountain snow when that happens again too. So basically the status quo over the next few days. Now, snowfall, when we do get it, should be pretty good. About 1.5 feet on Mount Hood from Sunday through Thursday of next week. Those amounts are likely to change as we get closer. Tomorrow morning, sunrise 7:39, fog, frost, but windy and clear on the east side of town. But we should get into the sunshine for all of Portland later in the day. And again, we'll see this pattern break down towards about Sunday and into early next week, back to a more typical northwest winter pattern. That's actually the Wells Fargo Skycam. Can't see a thing. 33 degrees, freezing level 9,600 feet. You can have multiple freezing levels this time of the year. So sunshine after the morning fog and frost. It'll be a foggy morning, so if you're driving and commuting, it's probably going to take a little longer to get to your destination, but we'll make it up to 48, then about 50 on Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday might be the best day as that east wind picks up a little bit, Laurel.
Well, the rain and snow is looking kind of appealing.
At this point, right? Better than the fog.
Thank you, Matt.